Welcome students. Let's learn about subtraction in fractions. So let's say you have a number 47 upon 15 minus 9 upon 15. Alright. So you have the like denominator here. So we have learned about addition of fractions. What you have to do in addition and subtraction, one thing you need to understand is to have a like denominator or equal denominator. If that is not, then you'll have to convert into that. We will understand that. We will learn about it. Now here you have the like denominator. So what you need to do is to simply write the denominator next step and do a 47 minus 9. Right? So the answer is 47 minus 9 is 38 upon 15, right? So this is the easiest example where you have the denominator equal or you have a like denominator. So this is how you will do the subtraction. Now let's say you have a number 7 upon 3 minus 4 upon 5. All right. So now you don't have the denominator equal. So in this case, what you need to do is to take this denominator, multiply the numerator and denominator of the other fraction, and then take this denominator and multiply the numerator and denominator of the other fraction. Why do you do that? So here when you do that, you are actually doing 3 times 5 or 5 times 3 to make the denominator equal. So this is the process of doing that. So what it actually does is 7 times 3 upon 5 times 5 minus 4 times 3 times 5 upon, sorry. All right. Now the answer you will get is 35 by 15 minus 12 by 15, right? So when you are one thing to note, when you are multiplying this by 5, you are actually multiplying this number by 1, because 5 divided by 5 is 1. Similarly, when you are multiplying this number by 1, 3 by 3, it is actually multiplying that number by 1. So you are not making any changes in the values, you are just adding and multiplying with another fraction that has an actual value of 1. Now when you reach this stage, you have the denominator equal. So in that case, what you need to do is to write the denominator here, and then you see 35 minus 12 by 15. So it is 23 upon 15. So this is the answer. This is how you solve a fraction or the set of fractions, subtraction between the fractions, right? So now let's say you want to convert this fraction into a mixed fraction, right? So this is an improper fraction. How do you convert this into a mixed fraction? You have 38 and divided by 15. So 15 times 2 is 30, remainder is 8. So you will write this as, you will write the divisor here, quotient here, and remainder here, and then you convert this into a mixed fraction. So meaning you will when you want to convert this into a fraction, 2, 15 and 8, you will have multiplication here and division, addition here. So you need to understand that whenever you want to convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction, what you need to do is to do a division, write the quotient here, divisor here, and the remainder here. Now if you want to do the opposite of it, you need to assume a multiplication here and addition here. That means you are going to do 2 times 15 plus 8, right, which is 38. So 38 upon 15. So this is how you convert an improper fraction into a mixed fraction, and then again from a mixed fraction to an improper fraction. Hope you understood this. If you have any questions, put in comments. Thank you.